Exercise 4.3 question number 8. In this question we are given a linear equation f equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32 which converts temperature in Fahrenheit scale to temperature in Celsius scale, and we have to draw a linear graph of this linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So to draw a graph of this linear equation, we need some solutions of this linear equation f equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. If you take c equal to 0, then value of f will be 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So f will be equal to 32. And if you take c, Celsius value is equal to 10, then f is equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32. 5 2 ja 10, 2 9 ja 18, 18 plus 32, 50. When you take c is equal to minus 40, then f is equal to 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. 5 8 ja 40, so minus 8 into 9 minus 72 plus 32 is equal to minus 40. So c equal to 0 and f equal to 32 is one solution of this given equation. Like that, c equal to 10 and f equal to 50, another solution. C equal to minus 40, f equal to minus 40, another solution of this linear equation f equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. Now let us write these three solutions in a table like this. So we have written three solutions of this given linear equation in this table like this: 0, 32, 10, 50, minus 40, minus 50. Now we have to plot these points 0, 32, 10, 50 and minus 40, minus 40 on the graph paper. So you take a graph paper and draw coordinate axes like this as shown here, and taking a scale, one unit equal to 10 on x-axis and also one unit equal to 10 on y-axis, write the numbers according to the sign convention on the coordinate axes. And let us plot now these points. First point is 0, 32. On x-axis it is 0, so point will be on y-axis at 32. So 2 units above this 30 will be 32. So let's say you can read this point in a exact way when you do this work on a graph paper. So let us take this point 0, 32. Next point is 10, 5. On x-axis 10, on y-axis 50. So 10, 50 will be this point, and write coordinates 10, 50. Next point minus 40, minus 40. So on x-axis minus 40, this point, y-axis minus 40, this point. So move like this from x-axis and move like this from y-axis. So this will be the point whose coordinates will be minus 40, comma minus 40. So these were 3 points we have plotted: 0, 32, 10, 50 and minus 40, minus 40 on graph paper like this. Now we shall draw a line passing through these 3 points. Like this, we have drawn a straight line passing through 3 points which we plotted on this graph paper. 3 points are 0, 32, 10, 50 and minus 40, minus 40. Near this straight line, let us write this given linear equation as f is equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32, and this is the graph of this given linear equation, f equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. Second part, if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? When C is equal to 30 degree, then we have to find temperature in Fahrenheit. So let us put this value of C, which is 30 degree, in this given linear equation, f equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So f is equal to 9 by 5 into value of C is 30 plus 32. 5 6 times 30 is cancelled, 9 6 ja 54 plus 32, so 86. So when temperature in Celsius scale is 30 degree, then Fahrenheit is in Fahrenheit scale temperature is 86 degree. So therefore, when C Celsius scale of temperature is 30 degree, then temperature in Fahrenheit is 86 degree. Third part, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So third part, Fahrenheit scale of temperature is given 95 degree. Then we have to find the temperature in Celsius scale. So let us put this value of f equal to 95 in the linear equation, f equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32, which converts Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. So this Fahrenheit f equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. So in place of f, let us write 95 equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. Transpose 32 from right side to left side. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into c, which is 63 equal to 9 by 5 into c. So 9 by 5 into c is equal to 63. So c equal to 63 into 5 by 9. 9 7 ja 63, 7 into 5 35. So therefore, when temperature in Fahrenheit is 95 degree, then temperature in Celsius scale is 35 degree. Fourth part, if the temperature in Fahrenheit scale is 0 degree, then what is the temperature in Celsius? And if the temperature in Celsius is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? When C equal to 0, Celsius temperature is 0 degree, then Fahrenheit F equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32 equal to 0 plus 32 equal to 32. So when temperature in Celsius scale is 0 degree, then temperature in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree. And when Fahrenheit scale is 0 degree, then F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So write F equal to 0 equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32, and this implies minus 9 by 5 into C is equal to 32. So C is equal to 32 into 5 by minus 9, which is equal to minus 160 by 9. So if you divide, you will find minus 17.8 approximately. So therefore, when Celsius scale of temperature is 0 degree, then Fahrenheit scale of temperature 32 degree, and Fahrenheit scale of temperature 0 degree, then Celsius scale is minus 17.8 degree approx. Fifth part, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in Fahrenheit and in Celsius? If yes, find it. So in fifth part it is given that F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This linear equation is given in the question, which converts Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now we have to find a temperature which is numerically same in Fahrenheit and in Celsius also. So let F is equal to C, and then we have F is equal to 9 by 5 into F plus 32, because F is equal to C we have assumed. This implies F is F minus 9 by 5 into F is equal to 32. 5F minus 9F minus 4F by 5 equal to 32. So F is equal to 32 into 5 by minus 4. 4 8 ja 32. So this is minus 8 into 5 equal to minus 40. Therefore, F is equal to C is equal to minus 40. Hence, minus 40 degree is the temperature which is numerically same in Fahrenheit and Celsius. This completes question number 8.